are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.